Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a short video on how I retighten my braids, or just kind of tighten them up after they've grown out for so long. I did my hair at the end of May of this year, and since then is now end of July, like literally the end of July. Tomorrow is gonna be the 31st. Of course, because I'm dumb, I missed the opportunity again to record this, and I just kind of already started with my hair and just rebraiding everything because it was just growing out like crazy, and it was hurting a little bit because it was like my braid was like weighing down on my hair. And so I already started the way because I'm dumb. I'm pretty much partially finished. This is the section, this little bun right here is the section that I'm working on. I'll just pull one out right now. I'll pull this one. You can see the difference between the braid right next to it. This is the one that I redid, and this one right here. It's grown out approximately maybe an inch and a half. Basically, I'm just taking out the braids one by one because I, had summer classes, I had to go to school, so I didn't have the time to take everything out and then wash it and blow dry it and then part it and then braid it again like I did in the last video, because that took 3 days and I was taking summer classes that required me to be on campus literally every single day of the week. So instead, what I do is I just take them out one by one, like when I have time or when I'm sitting around doing nothing, and I'll just braid it back into my head. I focus on the perimeter of my hair first. So I focus on the sides, the top, the sides, and the back. So that way everything looks nice. Like when I have my hair all tied up and everything, there's something right here. There's a hair right there. Ugh. Yummy. That way, when I have it like tied up, you can't see the center and everything looks clean when it really isn't, and you're still in the middle of fixing it. I just grab a rat tail comb, any rat tail comb that you have, and because I like to conserve the hair, and I used every single pack last time and I didn't want to like break it or anything, it just very gently undo the braid. After that, I just use my fingers. So that is the strand of the braid. I just keep it like this to put it back into my head, so I'm just gonna set it to the side. This is my hair. This is how long my hair has gotten since the last time I braided it. And there it is. It's super matted, like right up here where the braid started, and then that's all the new growth. Pulled out like the matted pieces apart, like this, to make it easier to detangle. Then using the rat tail comb again, starting from the bottom, work your way up and undo the knots. This, I'm not ripping my hair out, but this is totally normal for me. That's gross, I'm not gonna show you. There it is, my hair. That's how long it's getting. It's getting so long, I'm so excited. Now, I'm gonna use some butterfly clips just to clip a couple sections out of the way. Really make sure that nothing is in the way when I am braiding. I'm like looking in the mirror here. That's probably getting really annoying, sorry. After that, I just grab the hair that I took out originally and just braid it back in. I just took out another section because I finished that last braid. That last braid is right over here. I finished this one. I'm gonna show you guys one more time just what I do in order to get this baby going. You know what I mean? What I do is I just grab my clips, 1 or 2 if necessary, and I part the hair out of the way. Part the hair out of the way. So that way I give myself room to work. Then I grab the hair that I just took out and I just start braiding it in again. That is the finished braid right here. So basically that's just what I do in order to tighten my braids. There's no need to really film like the whole thing. I mean, you get what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like the first time that I did my hair once I finally finished everything. That's all I have. It's not gonna be a very long video. It's just showing you how I tighten up my braids and then, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Anyways, that's it. That's all I have for the video today. If you like it, you can like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Where's the new hair extensions you're using?
I'm using my old ones. This is how I
save money?
Yeah.
Can you teach me how to do those type of braids?
Sure.
I know how to braid them, but I just don't know how to start them.
Yeah, I can teach you.
I've had once Dad braid my hair.
Dad braided your hair?
He braided the braids.
He braided the braids together?
Yeah.
Into a big braid?
Yeah, he didn't braid my natural hair.
Oh, okay.
So, Kelly, you have like a whole jungle in your hair. So
That's
I mean,
true.
it grows and it grows really quickly.
Down to
Kelly,
here.
can you believe if you didn't like lose your hair?
Yeah, man.
Do you regret bleaching it?
Totally. It totally fried it. It damaged it. I will never bleach my hair ever again.
You should do a braid. You did try and
I did, but he won't sit still. He hates when I touch his head. Hello. Hi.
What are you doing?
I am filming.
You're making a video?
Yes.
Stop biting me, Bentley.
He's not gonna stop, and then what? Everybody's here. Literally everybody's here.
Gang, gang. Hey.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh dear. Oh my. Oh my gosh.
Hey, yo, follow the YouTube channel. Autumn, you already know. Gang, gang.
For some reason, whenever I film, everybody feels the need to come into my room.
But put my link in the description.
Prince, I'm not linking you in my video.
Gang.
20 subscriber gang. Can you get out of my face? Go brush your teeth. Ew, go put on chapstick.
Bentley, no biting, no biting, no biting. Bentley, no Prince, it's not a game.
Guys, can I wrap this up?
Prince,
Anyways, that's it for this. You're talking
sorry, I'm trying to
in my outro.
make him lay down.
You're talking
I'm going.
in my outro. You don't have to go. You just can't speak, ma'am. Please.
Sorry.
Young man, please be quiet. Now I'm just getting a clip to part the growing hair out of the way. If you hear snorting in the background, that's my puppy. He's just... Actually, I can show you what he's doing right now. To be honest, I don't know why he does that. He's been having a habit for digging, I don't know.